Hey friends.
I'm Steve.
And I'm Angela.
And we are
Midlife Cruising. We live full-time on the Villa Vie Odyssey residential cruise ship, and we share all things cruise ports and all things full-time cruising. We have a big, huge, enormous giveaway coming up worth thousands and thousands of dollars for our subscribers. Be sure to catch the episode on Friday, March 14th to see how you can enter for this most amazing prize.
On today's episode, we go to the beautiful island of Ilha Grande, Brazil. And boy, is it a spectacular island that a lot of boat owners go and enjoy for the day. Waterfalls, beautiful beaches, restaurants, hotels, it's got it all.
And later in the episode, we give you an updated room tour of our room. So stay tuned.
Well, we are on the boat headed to Ilha Grande Island here, where there are no cars, no motorized vehicles at all, and we're going hiking. Let's go, France.
Dolphins.
Oh yeah.
A lot of them.
All right, we've made it. Let's see what the island has to offer. We are currently looking for the trailhead that leads us up and over the island to a waterfall, and then on the other side we catch a taxi, a water taxi that is. So behind me you can see there's an old aqueduct from 1893 that they still use today to supply the town with spring water. It's amazing.
And asparagus, see it?
But we have crested the ridge and now we are headed downhill for the easy part of the hike. I wonder what lies below. Look at the color in the markings, almost like it's fake. Almost looks like this bamboo has been painted, but it's quite natural.
That's the waterfall. It is.
The next day,
Not a bad reward, is it?
today I was like, doesn't mean no hour.
Wait, say hello. Hello! Hello!
Yeah! We have quite the crowd from the ship that has made it here via water taxi. I don't think we go many places on this trip without running into people from the Villa Vie. All right, well that was fun. Nice and refreshing. And down to the boat taxi. It's only a little sketchy. Look at this bamboo, is ridiculous. Ooh. right, well, the trail dumped us out here on a beach, sort of a private boat-only beach with lots of little tiki huts and stuff. And here's our taxi.
Like, we were all like, we don't want to get our shoes wet, so they went over.
So no matter where we go, we run into our friends from the ship, and look at this deliciousness Ruth has found. What is this?
This is a beautiful camarão, abacaxi, shrimp in a pineapple.
Oh my goodness.
So there's all kinds of shrimp in there, a beautiful sauce, and rice to eat it on.
Life is good.
It's good.
Hey friends, we find ourselves on this beautiful island here in Brazil. Where are we?
Ilha Grande.
Ilha Grande. And I'm with the Brazilian drink Capriano.
I don't know.
Sorry, I butchered it. I'll flash it in the screen and show you. It's made from lime, sugar, and their sort of rum drink. I'll flash that up there. Don't really know what it is.
Brazilian liquor.
Yeah, Brazilian liquor. Well, let's give it a shot. Woo. It's like firewater. There's a lot in there.
A lot of what?
A lot of liquor.
I'm
lot
not
of
tasting
liquor.
it then.
Well, you can try a little bit. It's very refreshing, but if you struck a match right now, it would probably blow my face up. We'll give this one like a, this is not my jam. I'm sorry, Brazil. 4.0.
Pretty.
Well, we're here having a lovely day at lunch, and look what they brought us.
We could have shared. It's too big.
Wow. Any shops back here?
I just want to see the bridge. We stay in a hospital.
Well, that's my kind of market. So our friend here has got a grocery cart full of honey and products. It's amazing.
These are
Honey.
little individual packets of honey. Yeah,
Yes.
all of it. Look at the combs. Amazing.
Ah, essa.
Look at that. Wow.
É que derrete.
See.
Calor.
Ah, the things you will see. All right, it's tender time. Back to the ship.
We thought we would share an updated room tour with you. Now that we've been here for 5.5 months, it's a little more lived in, and you always see us filming here in Studio 4125. So we thought we'd show you what it looks like currently after 5.5 months.
Hey friends, we thought we would show you our room in its normal state. We didn't do the big tidy up before filming, put things away. Let them just see what it looks like after several months of living aboard. You know, we've been here since October 1, and it's a lot more lived in now. Now the room steward did just come, and, you know, cleaned it up, made the bed, vacuumed and such. But we wanted you to see it kind of in its raw state. So I thought I'd show you my magnet collection first, which, you know, if and when this adventure ever ends, these will probably go on a wall in Steve's man cave or something. But for now, it's just a simple, inexpensive way to kind of track where we've been and all the great little memories. Some of these feel like they were 2 years ago. We've just been so many places. We still have all of our hats over here. Yes, it still drives me crazy. I'm not into clutter, but you know what? It just works. We hang jackets, hats here. My couple grab and go purses. I have a few more in the closet, but they will be leaving soon because I just don't get to them. Another big change is we took the desk chair and moved it here and got rid of the big chair. It just made up for just more space. I saw someone else did it and we tried it and it works. Still have our little friend Cruiser in the background. Not much has changed over here. This is artwork we bought for our house. Next time we go back for a visit, we'll take it with us. Still keeping track of my ports on the calendar. The purples are the changes. You know, when you live full time, you have to go with the flow. And if ports change, I just change them on my calendar. This is something we haven't shown you. It is South America. Not that I'm a poster girl on the wall, but boy, has it helped us with geography. Right now we're here in, where are we? Oh, here we are. We're up here in Rio. And it's just, it shows everything and it's actually interactive. There's QR codes and shows you where to go and what to do, but it's just a really neat thing. I also have a world one, but that's our big South America map. And as someone saw in our last video, we have changed the bed back to this direction instead of the head at the window. We just like it and we finally took some time. And the room steward would happily do it for us, but we're like, you know what, we'll take care of it. So we did switch the bed back. Steve's guitar. The ocean view. Woohoo, can't beat it. Rio outside. So we thought you just want to see it with, I guess, I don't know if messy's the word, but you know, a little more lived in. We still try to keep nice and tidy, but we didn't put anything away this time. It just is what it is. So that is our room in its current state. We are still loving it, having a great time. Our restroom, a little more lived in, didn't move anything out for filming. Keep our hamper in there, just works for us. So that's our updated room tour.
Well, we hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thank you so much for coming along. And remember, we're just 2 videos away for our big giveaway. Be sure to tune in on Friday, March 14th. We're going to drop a video. Watch it when you can so you know how to enter to win the big, amazing prize worth thousands of dollars. I'm so excited.
Check us out on all the other platforms, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, where you can get pretty much daily updates from us.
And remember, we have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Go find those 3 little dots past the title underneath the video and see what we have in our room and what we think you should take on short and long-term cruises.
Thank you so much to those that give on Super Thanks and Buy Me a Coffee. We really enjoy sending those video replies back on Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks, Fran. We truly appreciate you. And thank you for those who joined us at our last live here from Rio de Janeiro. If you haven't caught that video, go back and check it out. We truly appreciate you all. Love you. Bye, friends.